More Mars strange artifacts. We found strange openings in pyramids, and also the wind blast area northwest of Cydonia, where scientists say a nuclear event took place that changed even the coloring of Mars. Okay, so here we are on an area that is basically opposite of Cydonia. We know that the area of Cydonia and to the east of that have recently been found to have signatures of xenon, which is an element that comes after a nuclear explosion, similar to what we have found on Earth. But these are very strange artifacts. Here we are about 1 kilometer out from the surface, and this is 3D, 2D, 3D. And I don't know, this is pointing north is this way, but I don't know what this is. They look like they're, to me, that could be caverns or caves or some type of entrances in some kind of a structure in this area. Pulling out again. This is the area here. And kindly support my Patreon account since YouTube has again demonetized my YouTube channel. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below. I was looking at this spot here, which is a different color than the areas. But this, I was looking also at this shape here, which to me looks like a pyramid shape. But I could be wrong. It could be a natural formation. Nevertheless, we do have these things here on this side of the pyramid. And going in a little bit more, we have things that look like, if we go 200 meters in, that's 500 meters, but 200 meters in, we see things that look like rectangular shapes. There we go, pulling out, we can see a lot better right there. And again, I don't know what this is. It could be a natural formation, but it looks a lot like a pyramid, especially this side here. And let's go north now to see what we have and pull out a little bit so we can see the general area. Okay. And we see that all this has been flattened out to the same elevation for some reason. And this seems to be the pyramid that we saw with those holes in it, with the structure to the side. It seems to be a little bit taller. And these all seem to be cut off at the same elevation. Very strange, but that's, again, could have been a plateau of some kind. And then you have all this here, which again seems strange. It seems to be lower than this plateau. Okay. And this is in the Nilocertis mensae area, Nilocertis mensae. What really got to me was this structure here, looking very rectangular. As we said, all this is a plateau, the same elevation, but this very, very strange situation from the air. Again, it could be, let's go 3D. It could be an around. There we go. Okay. There's all types of things you can find here. A lot of times we think we can find letters on there, but sometimes it's just Google imprinted. Google is imprinted in the on the maps. Look at this. Look at this here. Very strange formations. They almost seem to be areas like ruins. Again, who knows what took place here on Mars? Who knows what took place? Let's go north again. Okay. A lot of strange shapes here that look like cut-off pyramids. Again, I don't know why that is that color. In the middle of nowhere. Okay, some things here that cast shadows. And this thing here seems to be a pyramid. A three-sided pyramid. Very strange again. There you go. But again, it could be, we could be wrong, it could be a natural formation. Even though you have these little things here, same exact size as each other. Let's go in 200 meters in. It's very, it doesn't have high definition. Very strange. And this is not a very high definition picture. Okay, these things here look as if they're indentations, but if you go closer, they're not indentations. They're actually, you'll see it depends on your viewpoint. You see they're areas that are hills. They're not craters. All these areas are little hills. Okay. I don't think these are really tracks here. They must be part of the image. Okay. Very strange that they have different colorations here. Although this thing looks like a track to me. What is that? Again, you have Google writing in there, so that it may be something from the, we just saw, Google 2021. Okay, it could be parts of the glitches from the film. Okay. Very strange indeed. So if we pull out Lilosirtis mensae, okay, and this is Cydonia over here. This is Cydonia, where they found a very big area of, going to more into Cydonia, okay, you see this labyrinth, this area of labyrinths here? This is the face and the pyramids on Mars area. Let's go a little bit more. And here we are. That's the face, and these are the pyramids that we saw before. And more here. Okay. This is Cydonia with the pyramids in the face. Although the face has really changed since 1976, when we had the first images. And here we have a plateau of various pyramids, even 5 pointed pyramids. Very strange location. And according to the Emerald Tablets of Thoth the Atlantean, one of the exiled generals from Atlantis that was exiled to Mars with his entourage of generals, he was then buried under a face on Mars and his generals in pyramids next to him. So is this it? We don't know. It could be somewhere else, but this could be it. Very strange things here. Plateau of very strange things. Cydonia, very famous for the face on Mars. And then I saw something else. Let's see if I could find it. Having to do with, let's see if I could find it. Spattering. Where is this spat? Here it is. Okay. I saw all this. You could see all this spattering. Look at this. You see all these craters that have the wind blasting? And it seems that the wind is blasting. Something took place around here, and the blasting goes off like this. And look at this. You can see it better here. This way, right? What happened? And obviously, this may have been the area of the nuclear blast because of what you see here. Let's go in. There you go. Look at that. It's as if something blasted and even changed the color, the coloration on the surface of Mars. Look at that. The wind blast must have been really, really something. Again, here. And if we pull out, okay, here, you can even see things, striations here. And these are high definition pictures, so you can see what's happening. Okay. So what happened? Was this one of the areas that were blasted? Who knows? What took place here? I don't see any striations here. Wind blasts over here. Okay. I don't see any striations here. But something very strange happened here. And this whole area shows scarring from some kind of event that must have been really devastating. Right here, you can still see it here. And it's as if the point came from somewhere around here. Okay. A lot of pot marks on here. No wind blasts over here. Very strange. Although you have some here going this way, pointing that some event took place over here. So how many blasts actually took place? Okay, this is look at this thing here. Was that perhaps, you can see the striations here. Look at this. And here. So something was pointing to something on this taking place around here. So these are the striations of some kind of event that blasted this surface area to the west of Cydonia, northwest of Cydonia. So could this have been one of the areas that were blasted? And also here, showing some other event that took place maybe around here. Very strange. Anyway, I'll leave a link below for you. You can do your own searches if you'd like, as you're having your coffee, before you get into news and events of the day. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. I really think this is really enigmatic, what happened to Mars, because of our ancient texts as well. The ancient texts say that it was inhabited. So who knows? Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Thank you.